Albert Einstein, 1879 to 1955, was a theoretical physicist whose work revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and the universe itself. Best known for his theory of relativity and the equation equals 2E equals mc2. Einstein is one of the most famous scientists in history. His life is a story of intellectual curiosity, perseverance, and a deep commitment to humanitarian and social causes. Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in the city of Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg in the German Empire. His early years were marked by a quiet curiosity and a fascination with the natural world. Despite showing an early interest in mathematics and science, he was not considered an exceptional student by his teachers. In fact, he often clashed with the rigid educational methods of the time. In 1894, his family moved to Italy after his father's business failed, and Einstein left school early, deciding to continue his education independently. At 16, Einstein renounced his German citizenship to avoid compulsory military service and enrolled in the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich. Despite initially failing the entrance exam, he was admitted in 1896 after a year of preparation. During his time at the Polytechnic, Einstein's passion for physics and mathematics deepened, but his unconventional approach to learning, skipping lectures and studying independently, left him with mediocre grades. After graduating in 1900, Einstein struggled to find an academic position, eventually taking a job as a patent examiner at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern in 1902. This modest job provided him with the financial stability and time to pursue his true passion, theoretical physics. The year 1905, often called Einstein's Annus Mirabilis or Miracle Year, saw the publication of 4 groundbreaking papers that would change the course of modern physics. These papers included his work on the photoelectric effect, which later won him the Nobel Prize in Physics, his explanation of Brownian motion, providing evidence for the existence of atoms, the special theory of relativity, which redefined concepts of space and time, and his famous equation equals 2E equals mc2, which revealed the interconvertibility of mass and energy. Despite his lack of formal academic standing, these papers established Einstein as a leading scientific thinker. Einstein's career flourished after 1905, with academic positions offered in Zurich, Prague, and eventually Berlin, where he moved in 1914 to join the Prussian Academy of Sciences. During this period, he developed his general theory of relativity, published in 1915, which proposed that gravity is not a force, but a curvature of space and time caused by mass and energy. This theory was confirmed in 1919 during a solar eclipse, propelling Einstein to international fame. His image appeared in newspapers worldwide, and he became celebrated not only as a scientific genius, but also as a humanitarian and advocate for peace. And the rise of the Weimar Republic, Einstein became an outspoken critic of militarism, nationalism, and anti-Semitism. He supported the Zionist movement and was actively involved in advocating for a Jewish homeland in Palestine, envisioning it as a place of coexistence between Jews and Arabs. However, the political climate in Germany worsened with the rise of Adolf Hitler and the Nazi Party. In 1933, while visiting the United States, Einstein decided not to return to Germany, renouncing his German citizenship for a second time and settling in the U.S. Einstein accepted a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey, where he continued his scientific research and became an advocate for civil rights and global peace. In 1939, as the threat of Nazi Germany grew, Einstein co-signed a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt warning of the potential for an atomic bomb, a move that eventually led to the Manhattan Project. Though he later regretted his role in encouraging nuclear weapons research, he remained a strong advocate for nuclear disarmament and world peace after the war. In his later years, Einstein continued his quest for a unified field theory that would reconcile the forces of nature into a single framework, though this work remained incomplete at his death. Despite his declining health, he remained engaged in both scientific inquiry and social activism, using his fame to speak out against oppression and inequality. He passed away on April 18, 1955, in Princeton, leaving behind a legacy that extends far beyond his scientific contributions. Albert Einstein's life is a testament to the power of curiosity, perseverance, and an unwavering commitment to truth and justice. His theories of relativity transformed our understanding of space, time, and energy, laying the groundwork for much of modern physics. Beyond his scientific achievements, Einstein was a passionate advocate for peace, civil rights, and social justice. He demonstrated that even in a world filled with complexity and conflict, one person's ideas can profoundly change our understanding of the universe and inspire generations to come.